So over here, you can see that I have diagrams.net diagram opened up. And let's say what I want to do is I want to embed this diagram in my Jotform. If you want to learn more about diagrams.net, you can check my tutorial playlist on that as well. But anyways, now in order to go ahead and then embed it in Jotform, you need to go to the File menu, and then you need to go to Embed right here and select SVG. You can choose whatever you want, like shadow and image as well right here. And I'm going to click on Embed right here and then copy out the embed code. So once I do that over here in Jotform, I can go to widgets and then type in diagrams.net. Once you do that, the widget pops up, so you can go ahead and click, and then you can go ahead and say something like diagram right here. So let's just go ahead and say diagram right here, just like this. And I'm going to go around over here onto the widget setting and paste that embed code right here. Then you get that embed code, as you can see right here. You can set out the width and height as you want as well. Now let me just go ahead and update and then preview out the form right here. And as you do that, you will be able to see your diagram right here. You can go ahead and, of course, change this alignment to the top as well, just like this, and then align out the diagram, change around the height. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say 400 right here so that you got more space for the diagram. And apart from that, you can go around onto widget setting and you can go ahead and set your width and height for the diagram as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say 300 right here by 400. Let's say, for example, go ahead and update. And then if I were to go ahead and preview out the form right here now. So let's just go ahead and preview it. You can see that this is what you have. Seems like there's an error in the code. So let's just go ahead and then paste it out again properly. So let's just go ahead, paste this out, and then I'm going to go ahead and update it. And then what happens is that the diagram will be displayed correctly now. So basically this is what you have. And then you can see that the diagram selection are all can be done right here. You can go ahead and select it, copy it out as well as needed. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize the diagrams.net widget inside of Jotform to go ahead and then embed out diagrams.net diagram in Jotform. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe